Today we are gonna fix Pinterest validation error problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like. Before proceeding with the solutions, we open the Play Store and check if there is an update available for Pinterest. It is important to do this because developers often resolve such issues through new updates. The first solution is to completely uninstall Pinterest and reinstall it again. While deleting Pinterest, we will also delete Pinterest cache files on our device, and we will have a clean installation when downloading Pinterest again. To clear Pinterest data, we open Settings, go to Apps, and then click on Manage Apps. Search for Pinterest in the search bar, then click on Storage. After that, click on Clear Data, select Clear All Data, and then click OK. We have cleared Pinterest data. We go back to the previous page and click on Uninstall. Click OK to proceed. We have removed Pinterest from our device. Now, we need to restart our device. After doing this, we open the Play Store, then search for Pinterest in the search bar and click on Install. We have installed Pinterest. Now, you can log into your account and check if the problem is solved or not. The second solution is to download the old version of Pinterest. The reason we do this because the problem we are experiencing may be due to the last update to Pinterest. If this is the case, downloading the old version of Pinterest will solve our problem. Before downloading the old version of Pinterest, we delete the up-to-date Pinterest on our device. After doing this, we open our browser. There will be a download link in the description section. You can open the site from there. After opening the site, click on Download. We downloaded our file. Now we will install Pinterest. We installed Pinterest. Now you can check if the problem is solved or not. We have come to the end of the video. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem. If the video helped you, don't forget to like the video. You can also subscribe to my channel to support me. Take care and see you in the next video.